I'm not going to practice English anymore. Why? Because I've already given 1 month. Literally 1 month. I had heard from somewhere that if you give 1 month, 30 days, so you can speak this language fluently. But why didn't it happen in my case? Because I have already given 1 month. Why I couldn't become a fluent English speaker? I'm unable to understand this language. I'm unable to speak this language fluently the way I was expecting. It means that I'm a slow learner, or maybe I cannot speak this language fluently. So I should drop the idea of speaking this language fluently just in 1 month. And for that I am little bit disappointed. Wait, my friend, don't be disappointed. In this video, I'm going to share with you people that how many months it takes to become a fluent English speaker, okay? So hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. See what happened, my friend? There are many people, they have just started learning this language and they may have watched from somewhere that you can speak this language just in 1 month. And for that, they started trying. But ultimately, what they found, they are unable to speak this language fluently. And for that reason, they are disappointed. But I would say that don't be disappointed. Why? Because it takes a lot of time to speak this language fluently. Truly, my friend, you cannot speak this language just in 1 month if you are a truly beginner. If you have just started learning words, sentences, grammar, then you cannot become a fluent English speaker just in 1 month. If you have heard from somewhere, drop this idea, okay? And you should learn from other people. Just like me, I have already given a lot of time, not just 1 month. I have given a lot of time for this language. Still, if I don't practice for 1 day, 2 days, I feel that I'm forgetting English. I feel that I cannot speak this language fluently. Okay, I face problem. However, I have given a lot of time. Many years maybe. I will reveal this in my upcoming videos, that how many years I have given or how many months I have given for learning this language, okay? In one sentence, I would say that I have already given a lot of time, okay? So, if you have already given 1 month, don't be disappointed and keep learning. See, I told you that there are many people and you might be judging with them. Just like, oh, she is able to speak this language very fluently, or I'm unable. My friend, you don't know when they started learning this language. You are just comparing their fluency and your fluency, right? But you have just started, it's been only 1 month. But coming to there, they have been practicing for many months or for many years. So it's not fair to compare with them, okay? What you need to do, you should practice every single day. Maintain consistency, okay? Why consistency is important? Because when we break the consistency, then once again, fear, doubt, so many things start coming in our mind. We start doubting ourselves whether I can speak this language fluently or not. Or we just start getting fear when we go for talking to someone, whether I will speak this language fluently or not, or I may make a lot of mistakes and all, you know. These all things start happening once we drop practicing for few days. So for that reason, you need to practice every single day. See, I have been practicing for many years, I would say. Still, I practice every single day. I give a lot of time for this language. Not now a lot, but earlier I used to give a lot of time for this language. So in your case also, if you want to speak this language fluently, be ready to give a lot of time and do hard work. Don't expect fluency just in 1 month. It's not fair, my friend. Why? Because it's a language. It takes a lot of time. And I told you, you might be comparing with me, comparing with others, comparing with, small children. Children, they have been practicing since their childhood. they may have got environment, and that's why if they are 13-year-old, if they are 14-year-old, or maybe 10-year-old, maybe 5-year-old, still they are speaking this language fluently. Why? Because they had environment, their parents were speaking. When they go to their school, their teachers, they speak with them. But coming to other learners, I mean those who have just started learning this language and it has just been 1 month, if they are comparing with those kind of children and those kind of people, it's not fair. My friend, you should believe in yourself and practice every single day. Actually, same thing was happening with me when I was a beginner, to be honest. I also wanted to stop learning this language. I thought that it should take only 1 month, but once I completed 1 month, then I started expecting good result, but it didn't come out. I didn't start speaking this language well, so I thought that I should stop. But I found many co-learners. I started talking to them and I started watching videos. Then I found idea, or I got idea that it takes time. It's a language and it can take years and years to speak this language fluently. So don't be disappointed. What is in your hand, do that one. In your hand, hard work is there. I mean, try your level best. Practice every single day. Do whatever you can do for this language, okay? And then result will come. If you are disappointed, if you are being sad, it's not fair, my friend. You won't enjoy this journey. If you want to enjoy this journey, then you will learn easily. Don't make it troublesome that you have been learning this language and it's a kind of burden. No. Take it light way and keep practicing every single day. Consistency is the key to speak this language. For that reason, maintain your consistency. Practice every single day. Why? I told you that even I, after spending many months or many years, when I don't practice for 1 day, 2 days, or maybe for 1 week, I feel that I'm unable to speak this language good way. I feel that I cannot record my video good way. Okay? I start suffering. So in your case also, if you have just given 1 month and if you are going to drop your practice for many days, what will happen with you? Once again, you will forget many things. Once again, you will get fear in your mind. Once again, you will start doubting on yourself, whether you can speak this language or not. So for that reason, you should continue. Don't stop, okay? And don't get desperate, because it's a language, and if you do hard work, definitely you will get result. Why? Because I have seen many people whosoever had started learning this language and they continued working hard. I can see they speak this language very fluently. But I've seen people, they had desire to speak this language. They even tried for few days or few months, but afterward they stopped. And now they cannot speak this language fluently. Okay? So I want you to speak this language fluently, and how you can do it? If you practice every single day. Okay? So don't drop your practice and don't get desperate, because it's a language. It takes time, and whosoever speaks this language, they have already given a lot of time, not only you. Okay? So be happy and keep practicing, maintain your consistency, and take this language light way, not as a burdensome. And finally, you will speak this language fluently and effortlessly. Why? Because that's what I want. I hope you will not disappoint me. So I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.